Yamasindi kandi omuringo nigwo gumwe ori chairperson wa River Kafu Catchment Management Committee Cosmas Byarhanga ubuyaba ari mu rukiko urwashitamo mu rurembo rwa Hoima. Urukiko uru rwaba rutebekanisiwe Ministry of Water and Environment.
And a number of issues have been discussed because we are now in the process of coming up with a plan for catchment management which will give us direction on the number of activities, the stakeholders' roles and responsibilities, so that at the end of the day we conserve and restore this catchment area.
Muri rukiko rumwe ministry yahereza abantu batari bamwe na bamwe abarukora harukiko rwa River Kafu Catchment Management Committee barha ezuru kubahereza imirimo. Byarhanga yayongera yashobora ngo mugyera gwa Kafu ukore ikintu cy'amani mukurwanise mpinda hinduka yobwire turiho no kubeshero y'amezi abantu bari kutura mu cyanga cya Bunyoro beto turiho na Uganda yona ati nko kushobora ngo mugyera gwa Kafu gwaba gutafirweho nduguza kusisikara kandetse necyakabikamani amagara g'abantu ababintu baganyirwaho munonga ukira munonga mu cyange cya Bunyoro.
Is a very big river. Most of all the streams, all the water bodies in Bunyoro sub-region end up in Kafu, and then Kafu joins the River Nile. So this is a great river which contributes a lot to our climate and also which gives us a lot of water for a number of use. And if we don't conserve it, we risk having the whole catchment area degraded and hence having a lot of effects ranging from diseases, and this can affect our household expenditure, it can affect our household income, because a lot of activities depend on River Kafu.
Ibyo bikiri aho agaba Ville Albert urukure byentunguka umistongore cya Kampala Capital City Authority yahiga Ministry y'Amezi ukorekera kubasika cyona ukurebe kangu yayombe kikoro hihi no mugyera gwa Kafu iruri kubasa kozese bintu biri mu kasasiro kugindire yo mugasho ukurebe kangu yarwanisa abantu ugumana banage bicupa amwe no buvera umugerogo.
How many waste treatment plants do we have in this catchment area? We have, you have given us figures about the latrine coverage, the toilet, but how many treatment plants, waste treatment plants do we have?
Muringo ngogumwe uyaterera government omuranga ukorekera kubasika cyona kurebe kangu yahereza abantu abarihihi no mugyera gwa Kafu oboma bo kushikirira bihingwa byabo abo kubo bwiro bwinji umbire bwo mushana abantu abantu batahirira mugyero kuguhingaho ikiri kuza kuguherezaho kimwe.
Irrigation in the dry spells, and people do not approach on wetlands or do not go through this catchment, then we shall find it easy to have enough output for to allow the community access funds.
Kabindi Stephen na uwa yetabo muri chikoru yahiga ba ministry okwatanisa na government ya hamwe ukurebe kangwa abantu bona abarukinga bikayija hamjerogu babingwaho.
Under the Madame Olivia, I would be happy if I was seeing here Kinyara, or if it's represented. I would be happy for Kiriandongo if Kafu was here. Hoima, my brother Philip is here. Would be happy if Hoima Sugar was here. For Hoima district, when they were thinking they are here. If they are not, they are listening. These are sugar companies. You cannot do away with sugar companies, but they degrade our environment. Do we visit them? Can we, in the next River Kafu catchment meeting?
Cosmas Byarhanga yayongera yashobora ngo umugerogu gwaheza kurindwa kandi gukagaruraho igicyange cya Bunyoro ntibakita kitunga buzubu bimpinda hinduka yobwire.
Catchment area is restored. We are going to see a number of waterborne diseases reducing. We are going to see the community benefiting from safe water in a more sustainable manner. We are going to see the trees replanted along the river banks and all the water conserved in its normal environment, and this is likely to improve our livelihood.
Umugyera gwa Kafu gwahise emirundi ebiri niguboga gutahirira amaka g'abantu otaireho n'okushiisha emihanda kandi eki nikiijaho bwanyuma y'abantu kuguma nibagutahirira. Omurundi ogushembereyo omugyera ogu kuboga gusiisira omuhanda gurikuruga Hoima gurikuza Kampala gwahenda n'orutindo kandi n'okuhitya obwire obu ekitongore kirikujunaanizibwa aha nguuto omu ihanga ekya Uganda National Roads Authority ningashi UNRA tikikateereize enguuto egi. Makuraga gashakwa Gad asaba aba Sky